New England. Still a little bit of snow left today in New York City, but the travel ban's been lifted. Certainly could have been a lot worse in New York City. Somewhat dodged a bullet there, but, I mean, it's going to pile up in New England. Boston still expecting around 2 feet of snow, and things really don't quiet down until at least overnight Tuesday into the day on Wednesday. So from here on out, additional snowfall. Parts of northeastern New England still up to 2 feet. Boston, probably over a foot still to come.